Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Know With, channel dedicated to blockchain and cryptocurrency. In today's episode, we will discuss how to create an account with Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. In this episode, I will show you how to create a Binance account. If you're new to the crypto space, then you will be hearing a lot about Binance, as it is a huge exchange and it is one of the most important exchanges so far. Binance is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, trade, and store various cryptocurrencies. It was founded in 2017 and has grown to become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world in terms of daily trading volume. Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, including popular ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, as well as its own native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin, or how we call it BNB. Binance provides a user-friendly interface, advanced trading features, and a robust security system to ensure the safety of user funds. It also offers additional services such as staking, lending, and more. We will discuss these later in some other episodes. But in this episode, let's focus on how to start with Binance, as it is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Start off with the Binance account. You just need to follow this yellow button right here, sign up with email or phone. Also, you can create an account with Google or Apple. We'll just start with sign up with email or phone. And it will prompt you to add your personal email address and set up a password. You can do it via email or via phone number option. I'll start with the personal email address, set up a password, make sure it is a difficult one and a lengthy one. Now, knowing that there are so many cyber threats in the world and especially in crypto exchanges, accounts will be targeted. Referral ID optional. If you have any referral ID, use it right here. Maybe I'm going to share one of my referral IDs, so you can share in this box right here. And as I have already other Binance account, I will not read any terms of service and privacy policy. But if you're new to the platform, then go ahead and before ticking anything, before creating a personal account, read carefully the policy, terms of service, and then tick the box. And see if you are willing to receive any marketing updates from Binance. And once you have completed everything, happy with how everything looks, then click the create personal account button right here. It will redirect you to the next page where you need to complete some basic information about yourself. They are going to send you an email verification code so that they can make sure that it is actually your email account and you're not trying to hijack anyone else's account. So go check your email verification code, return to this page, put the code in, and then select submit. Once you have the code, paste it into your email verification code section, and this will redirect you to your account where you have to complete the next steps. Well, in my section, it might be slightly different, depends on when are you creating your video. So right now I have already a welcome to Binance section where I have to verify my account. I can fund my account and also secure it. So if I click get started. So first of all, we are in Binance homepage, and this is your dashboard where you will see options for buying your crypto. You'll see markets, trades, derivatives, earn finance, NFT, institutional options where you can deposit as well. Big yellow button for depositing your funds, and the wallet order. And right here is showing your personal information. Next step, it really depends on when are you creating your account. It might look slightly different, but the next steps are about verifying your account. You will either have to provide an ID and then enter your details and be ready for taking a selfie, because with extra layers of security, they want to make sure that your selfie matches your photo on the provided ID. Now I have this get verified big yellow button right here. So I'm going to click on it. And if it's a very new account, you'll see get verified buttons in various places across your site. So I haven't provided any ID. And what you need to do to verify, get your identity verified to buy and trade on Binance. And the requirements are personal information, government issued ID, facial recognition, questionnaire, and proof of address. This is just basically to complete KYC, or how they call it, also know your customer. And I'll click continue verification. So here I can see identity verification, have to provide ID and take a selfie. We'll continue, we'll select this continue button, and I might just skip this due to some personal information involved in this video, but I will get back to you once this is done. Once you have selected your form of ID, select the country, and the next step will be submitting your passport photo page. You can do it in two ways, either via your phone or take a photo of your passport or ID, then perhaps send it to your own email address that you can open on your laptop. If you already have a photo of your ID on your computer, just you can upload here. Right here, you can upload this photo. If you haven't got on your laptop or a computer, whatever you're using, then you can take a photo on your phone, send it to your own email address, then download it to your computer. Just so you can use this option here, or try continuing on your phone, see what works better for you. Once you have submitted your form of ID, you will be asked to record a short video that just to confirm that you are a real person and that you are who you are. Your image matches your document. Once you have successfully completed the video, then you will be asked some more questions. Let's say, what are you using Binance for? And you'll have some options. Is it a long-term holding, trading on Binance, trading on other exchanges, staking, mining pool, launchpad, investing, OTC trading, P2P, margin trading, futures and options? If you're not too sure, you might be able to change these options later. I'll just go with the long-term holding. Then they will ask you what's your source of income. And these are just, it's a basic questionnaire that all platforms, or most platforms, are asking. And you can provide in details what is your source of income, what are you doing, crypto mining, trading, renting, leasing, company profits, self-employed. I'll just go with the salary, pension, allowances. And then what's your employment status? Again, basic questionnaire: employed, not employed, retired, student, self-employed. Select your option here, then decide how much do you expect to trade and click next. Please indicate your work industry, so you can select as well the industry you can find here in the list. Once you have selected, click continue. Which payment channel will you use? So how are you going to deposit your funds? Is it bank transfer, transaction by card, by deposit, or crypto only? So I'll just go with the second. And the address verification, you need to complete as well your current residential address, so it would match to what you stated before, where is your residence. Once you have completed your residential address, just click continue. All right, so once you have completed all the necessary steps, you have submitted your proof of ID and proof of address, you have continued the process of this application. Maybe you have failed, but don't worry about that. Just try again. Make sure that you follow all of the instructions, that your video and your documents are clear, and that your face is clearly visible as well. They are just trying to prove that you are a real person and that you're not trying to create an account for anyone else. And bear in mind that they are very strict with the accounts. It might as well, your verification process might fail if you're trying to create more than one account. So they have strict policies about any account duplications. But here I can see I'm in the page where my application is under review, and that's it. There's nothing else for me to do in here. And as you can see, I have created a profile. I can go and buy some cryptos. I can check the market, check the trades as well, what options they have. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Click like and subscribe to Crypto Know It, and watch out for our next episodes. Thanks a lot. Bye.